When Westgate first came over, it was dark. We were renting portable lights for any of our athletic events here. And to have this, the lights that we have now, it's 1,000% better, not only for us as a school. We have people that have driven down Lake Mead Boulevard trying to figure out what was going on. All of a sudden it's lit up down here and now there's this field here. It has enhanced the community and our school greatly. I would definitely recommend Westgate. They did a tremendous job, not only from day one all the way through the project and with the follow-up. They continue to check to make sure everything is on par and still going. So yes, Westgate's the way to go.
We're here at Jerry's Nugget. It's one of the original casinos in Las Vegas, and when they wanted to do an upgrade for the bingo room, we of course went with Westgate lighting. So all the lights you see behind me are brand new LED panels that Westgate provided. One of the things we also did to make sure it came out good was we did a digital layout. We actually created a 3D model of this room before we had the lights installed. We were able to calculate the exact foot candles that were going to be on the surface of the tables. So that way when the bingo players came into play, we already knew it would be bright enough for them to see. And that's how we upgraded Jerry's Nuggets bingo room.
Encore is a third-party client for the Luxor Casino. When we first started this project, the entire room had a very low luminosity. It was very hard to be able to control the system in the room. Working with Westgate has been a great experience. Open communication, go into great detail on what they've done to utilize and keep us in the loop. A lot of rerouting, a lot of tracing had to be done in a much older facilities building like this that didn't have any blueprints or red lines, but the team were able to knock that out very fast and were able to make those adjustments into their current plan and didn't need to skip a beat. Everything's been working great so far of how we've been able to utilize with the Control 4. We have a wide range of being able to utilize different looks throughout the entire room. And the easy platform and the easy access with the touch panel screens has been able to set our presets very easily. I would definitely recommend Westgate. They hit a timetable faster and more efficient than we even expected. The outcome and what we needed to use it immediately after for a very important event, and I would highly recommend them.
So we purchased this as a new project to move an auction business here. The lighting was less than optimal, so we had Westgate come out and walk the property to do a candle light layout, make sure we had proper coverage in the warehouse and inside our office area. Once we agreed upon what we were going to order, the ordering process was simple and easy. It's definitely helped with the efficiency of the business. We're able to find things easier on shelves since we have proper light coverage. Pricing on the lights were great. We used LED lights. And efficient. Electric bill went down. Definitely recommend Westgate. The process was very simple. The communication was really good. They delivered a good product. Just wanted to say thank you and would definitely recommend them to other customers.